Starting the video again. Cut out on me. Okay, still on the top floor. This is laundry. Switch. I don't think we have the electrical in yet, and we don't have the pan, so we're missing drains and stuff. Here is our light. You can see where the wire is coming from. Let's follow this all the way back to this light again. Here is our skylight, which probably doesn't film very well, but there you go. Notice the positioning of this light. Alright, switch, going to be a three-way, so you can do it from the hallway. Outlet, so you can vacuum. Alright, back to perspective. Here's this. One of these wires is for dedicated fire alarm. Yes, we're doing everything up to code. Alright, more stuff. Here's this outside the bathroom. Notice our structure here. Bathroom. This tub has recently been reversed. Pipes are now going in this way. I don't know why. I don't care. Alright, notice our pipes. I don't know if these are going... Oh, yeah, actually, that's the intake. That will stay there. Alright, notice the pipes. Again, not connected at the moment, but there is our vent setup. Hey, look, a light. There will be a fan, I hope. Notice this pain in the butt right here. Okay, we have a vent. This is cool. But we are coming in sideways on the sink. Hey, look, switches, all kinds of switches, outlets. You want this to be convenient. Wrapping it up, back bedroom. We framed in just so you can see this outlet. Wire, wire, wire. This outlet, see how far we are from the wall. That radiator thing probably won't be there. Switches, a really shitty looking door that's going to be completely replaced. Alright, outlet, notice the distance. Here's that chimney thing that I decided not to get rid of. Outlet, hey look, the radiators. Outlet, see how many studs. And let's check out lights, count your studs. Oh, by the way, fan boxy thing. Here's this. Notice we're on the same parallel for these lights. Notice the wires going that way and back.